Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Quick reminder before we get started to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone else you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing number 270. If we start with this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 5. 6 here, so 9, 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 8. 9 here, so 1, 9. If we look at this row, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 1. 3 here, so 5, 3. For this column now, we're missing a 9. For this column, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 1. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 7. No help here, 2, 3, 7. 3 here, so 2, 7. That means that our 3 has to be here. If we look at this row, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 8. That 9 means this is our 6, 9. For this column now, we're missing 3, 5, and 7. We've got 3 and 7 here, so this is our 5. 3 here, so 7, 3. That 7 makes this our 2, 7. And that 7 makes this our 8, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this box, we're missing 2 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. And for this row, we're also missing 2 and 5 with no help, so 2, 5. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 8, and no help here, 2, 5, 8. For this row, we're missing a 1. For this row, we're missing 3, no, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 7. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. That 5 makes this our 2, 5, 2. And the 2 and 5 here makes this our 8, 5. For this column now, we're missing a 9. For this column, we're missing an 8. And for this box now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.